I am in the birthplace of the most famous car in the world, the Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari actually lived here and sold his house so he could buy his first ever car. And around me are some of the most famous Ferraris ever made.
Now thank you for coming through my drive-thru.
I visited two Ferrari museums. The first tells the history of Enzo Ferrari, his cars and the birth of the Ferrari brand. The second museum showcases everything from Grand Prix winning Formula One cars to Ferraris owned by celebrities. Antonio Ghini is the director of both museums and he took me for a guided tour to tell me more about the story of Ferrari.
One of the reasons why the Ferrari trademark is so strong is because Ferrari is in the race when he wins, but remain in the race if don't win because he want to win again.
Yeah.
And that for public is extremely important because it's too easy to be the winner.
Yes.
It's much more motivating to be someone that want to return on the lead. Is what we want to do.
And for you, the greatest Ferrari driver of all time?
Each driver is part of his era. It's difficult to compare Ascari, Fangio with Michael Schumacher or Alonso or Kimi. I think for many reasons, Michael Schumacher has been the big.
And our thoughts are with Michael at the moment because I saw a sign as we came in, Forte Michael Forte, which means strength, Michael, strength.
Forte is go, Michael, go. You know, the difficult situation after the skiing accident, and we are confident. We know him, he's a winning guy, and we are confident he will win again.
I like to hear that, Antonio. I hope that too, as does everyone in Ireland. Antonio, how many victories has Ferrari had?
Not enough, but at the moment, 221 victories in the Grand Prix, and there we have all our world champions, from Ascari to Kimi, and many cups we receive on the podium. And there you can see the last Ferrari world champion Ferraris from '99 to 2008. I am waiting for the next. In the middle, the next world champion will be here.
Tell me a little bit about Enzo Ferrari himself.
Enzo was a great talent because he was driver. Then he invented very few cars, extremely expensive, always cars coming from the competition. So it's a way to approach the car market completely different to everybody. That was the intelligence of Enzo Ferrari. Never advertising, never promotion, always one less car instead that one more. It's better to sell one less car and having somebody that tell, I want to have a Ferrari, I can't, instead to tell, please buy this Ferrari that I can't to sell it.
Exclusive.
Exclusive,
yes.
Have to be a dream. That is the difference.
And we're going to see some very exclusive cars right now.
We go hard.
Okay, we go.
You asked me before, what is the most expensive car you have in this exhibition?
Is it this one?
Is this. This car.
What is this car, Antonio?
This is the famous 250 California, 1960. And the owner of this car was approached by an Australian. I was here listening that the Australian was ready to pay 12 million euros for this car. I told, no thanks. 12 million euros is not enough. He didn't sold.
Who owns this car? Can you tell me?
He's married, I think.
He's married. Oh, no, I missed out.
This car was the Peter Seller personal car. It was the unique right-hand drive. We have a strange and unusual car because he made the speed record in Salt Lake City at 350 kilometers per hour.
This car went at 350 kilometers.
Yeah, world speed record for catalyzed car. So it's still the record. That car, for example, was driven by Paul Newman in Daytona 24 hours.
Paul Newman raced this car?
Yeah.
That's very cool. While Antonio showed me the rest of the Ferraris in the museum, it gave me inspiration for my next task, driving one.
How do I inspire?
Davis was the instructor who drew the short straw and had the very difficult task of teaching me how to drive a Ferrari. So we were sitting in a Ferrari California capable of top speeds of over 315 kilometers per hour. I clearly wasn't pushing it to its limits.
I'm being overtaken.
Yeah, no problem.
But eventually we got going and I managed to give it some welly.
An unbelievable experience, and it's been amazing, our time here in Rimini and Bologna. I can't say enough good things about it. It's been a magical trip, and what a way to end it. See you later.
We travelled to Italy with Ireland's Italian specialist Top Flight. For more details, log on to www.topflight.ie. For information on any of the destinations we visited, log on to www.emilioromagnaturismo.it/en.